What's going on, guys? Seth here, and today I'll be unboxing a product from the company Serengetee. And I'm also happy to announce that I will be a spring 2018 campus rep for them. So if you're interested in any of the products here in this video or just the company in general, please check the description below to find a discount code to get 20% off your next order. So here's some more information about Serengetee. The company travels the world in search of amazing fabrics that they then attach onto t-shirts, tank tops, sweaters, hats, backpacks, you name it. And portions of those proceeds go back to the country of origin to help out different charities and the creators of those products. So without further ado, let's go ahead and check out what I got. So the pocket I got is called the Kennedy Pocket, and the proceeds from this shirt support organizations that help build schools and foster education worldwide. This is a high quality 100% cotton t-shirt. And as you can see, this is a sweet looking t-shirt. Check the description below for my 20% off discount coupon code. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you guys in the next one.